this. I think Goa में actually इफी की वजह से I think there were a lot of people, बहुत सारे press. लेकिन यहाँ बॉम्बे को देखो, बॉम्बे ही होता है. Musafir is a very लोग सोचते हैं कि ये bold movie है. ये actually bold movie नहीं है. It is just very different, very fast paced. Storyline बहुत अच्छा है और storyline is very good. It is a sexy movie. It is a fun movie, and it has fantastic looking men with me. Well, my look in the film is extremely bohemian. She plays a Goan girl, so she's extremely with Goa, bikinis, very simple, light flowing clothes. I think today in the age where people are wearing too much, color in the hair, she's just very simple, and that's what makes her sexy. Mehnat. I think there's no had to mehnat. I work very, very hard, and I think I've almost given every day my 12. I wake up, I eat, breathe, sleep Musafir, and now I'm here. I am so excited looking at all of y'all. I'm even more excited. I hope y'all love the movie. In this movie, what I love is that there are great songs. No, I think that was never that. I think that there's a lot of hot songs. Yes, songs are one of my best things. But what I love about it is there's also a good performance and it's got a very good storyline. Yeah? I'm screaming, yeah. The music, Vishal Shekhar has outdone themselves. You can hear the music. It's also very Goa. Having shot the movie in Goa, it's very fast-paced, and there's also Rabba, which is very slow. We've done a lot with the music. We've catered to all parts of society, kids, elders, everybody. Next year, actually, you're going to be in shock. If you think I've changed my image with this movie, you wait and see what I'll do next year. Yeah? Sorry? Sanjay Gupta was a fantastic director. He's very stylized. You've seen Kante. If you think Kante was stylish, Musafir is way stylish. The way he's made Sanju, Anil, you've seen Anil Kapoor's look. Has Anil Kapoor ever looked like this? And Sanju as Villa, all of us, we've just changed our style. And that's what makes Sanjay Gupta the most stylish director I know. Yeah? Thank you. You'll all better watch the